So the new and truly wireless Google Pixel Buds just dropped, and already it's starting to look very exciting because it's got some features, some magic tricks that you don't see in other truly wireless earbuds, not from brands like Bose, Sony, and more recently Microsoft. In fact, this is kind of like Google telling those other brands that this is the way that you should be doing truly wireless earbuds. But before we get to those new features, let's touch on some of its basic specs. The new Google Pixel Buds does not look like it supports Bluetooth 5.0 because on the website it says that the Google Pixel Buds will play nicely with phones that use Bluetooth 4.0 and above. So 5.0, I don't think so. Most likely we are talking about Bluetooth 4.2. However, that does not seem to matter because if we were to take what Google is saying about the Google Pixel Buds, they use Class 1 Bluetooth, like the Apple AirPods. So Bluetooth range outdoors could be as far as the length of a football field, which is 100 meters. That already sets it apart from other truly wireless earbuds in the market because, as far as I know, only the Apple AirPods by far use Class 1 Bluetooth, and now we have the Google Pixel Buds as well. They are also sweat and water resistant, but to what extent, Google did not say. They also have a 5-hour battery in the earbuds and an extra 19 hours in the case. So that gives you a total of up to 24 hours, which is kind of like the battery life of the AirPods. They've also got USB-C charging, and they will be available from next year in the US at $179 in 4 different colors. Okay, now that we've got basic specs out of the way, let's talk about what's really special about these earbuds. These earbuds have instant pairing with phones that use Android 6.0 firmware and above. So it's kind of like the instant pairing feature that the AirPods have with iPhones. So Google is bringing that feature to the table with the Google Pixel Buds. They also have hands-free Google Assistant. So you don't have to press the Google Assistant button anymore, and you don't have to tap on the Google Home app. Just speak into the earbuds. So the earbuds are always listening, and you can even do real-time translation with it, I suspect with Google Translate. The earbuds are noise isolating, so they do have ear tips that plug into your ear canal. But I gotta say that I'm not very sure about this spatial vent at the bottom of the earbud that Google is claiming will allow enough ambient sound in so that you can remain aware of your surroundings. I mean, if I were to pick a pair of earbuds which are noise isolating, I will want it to isolate as much noise as possible. But tell me in the comments section below, guys, how you feel about this spatial vent thing that Google is touting as this big feature. I've got some mixed feelings about this, to be honest, but maybe you feel differently, so feel free to hit me up in the comments section. But the new Pixel Buds have some other exciting new tricks, like what Google calls adaptive sound, the ability to adjust automatically the earbuds volume depending on whether you are in a loud place or a quiet place. So the microphones, since they are always on, will be able to listen to your surroundings at all times and adjust your earbuds volume accordingly. And I think that this is a pretty neat feature, but it'll be great if the new Pixel Buds also had ambient sound pass through. You know, one tap of the earbud and the microphones will pick up and filter through ambient sound so that you can remain aware of your surroundings. But from the website, it does not seem like the new Pixel Buds have ambient sound pass through. But I could be wrong, so I will get back to you when new information becomes available. But perhaps the new Pixel Buds' most exciting magic trick, if I can call it that, is its unique microphone system. Okay, so listen to this. It's got 2 microphones for each earbud. So already you know that there's an emphasis on better voice pickup for great phone call quality and for, of course, Google Assistant. But it complements that with accelerometers in the earbuds that pick up vibrations from your jawbone. So it's kind of like bone conduction technology, is it? I could be wrong, but is this bone conduction technology we're talking about? So what we really need to look out for is how big of a difference is this gonna make? Is it gonna be vastly better than, say, more traditional beam-forming voice pickup technology that earbuds like the Jabra Elite 65T and now the 75T uses? Because one of the biggest challenges that truly wireless earbuds face is precisely voice pickup. How is it gonna pick up your voice while the earbuds are so far away from your mouth? And a lot of truly wireless earbuds have attempted to solve this issue using software, but it's still not good enough, like you see in this video. So will this jawbone vibration pickup technology change things for the better? Is this gonna be an approach that future truly wireless earbuds will adopt to solve this challenge, this voice pickup challenge? So this is shaping up to be an exciting pair of truly wireless earbuds to check out when it arrives in Singapore. I'm super hyped up right now, and I will come back to you with more information because Google hasn't told us everything yet. Like, how is its codec support gonna be like? Is it gonna support SBC, AAC, and more importantly, for Android devices, aptX? And can you use each earbud independently for voice calls, or is it gonna be a master-slave setup like the cheaper wireless earbuds? So at the price of $179, I think that this is quite groundbreaking. Well, it faces a few challengers in the market like Microsoft's new Surface Buds and the Amazon Echo Buds, and also earbuds from the more traditional brands like Sony, Bose, Audio-Technica. So I'm pretty excited, I'm pretty hyped up still, but tell me in the comments section below, guys, what you think about these earbuds. They are $179 and they've got a whole range of pretty neat looking, groundbreaking even, features. So I look forward to seeing your comments in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Aaron. You're watching Aaron's Wireless. And as always, if you like this video, please punch the like button with a vengeance. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And remember to ring the bell to join my notification squad because I upload new videos every single week. And this is the only way YouTube will notify you. And of course, please check out my other videos as well. I've got a lot of content on this channel. And oh, by the way, are you a humble person? Because if you're a humble person like me, this shirt is a great way to show your friends how humble you really are. And whenever you look in the mirror to admire yourself, of course, it will also help to remind you to always be humble. So guys, this is a pretty fun shirt to wear. You can check it out in the link below. It's available in t-shirt, tank top, and hoodie. Your purchase helps keep this channel going, and I appreciate your support, bros.